Hi, I'm going to show you how to get what I call the Earthy Glow eyeshadow look using the Good Tidings 12-pan Holiday Eyeshadow Palette. I call it Earthy Glow because it's using these beautiful earth tone shades. What you'll notice is I've applied this in a vertical manner instead of the traditional horizontal kind of, classic manner. So easy to do, but something a little different. I challenge you guys to try it yourself. Any shades you want that you think will go together, but try them in that vertical manner.